The American dream of homeownership is hitting a massive wall, and for many, the gate is staying locked. Across the United States, home prices continue to skyrocket, while wage growth for salaried workers is barely crawling. This growing gap is making it nearly impossible for middle-class and first-time buyers to even get a foot in the door. So, what exactly is driving this runaway market? It is a perfect storm of four major factors. First, we have a historic lack of housing inventory. There simply are not enough homes being built to meet the need. Demand remains incredibly high, even as mortgage rates sit at levels we haven't seen in decades. At the same time, institutional investors are buying up thousands of single-family homes, turning them into permanent rentals. Add in inflation and the surging costs of construction materials, and the price of building new homes becomes prohibitive. For younger generations like Millennials and Gen Z, the path to wealth through homeownership is disappearing before their eyes. Lately, there's been talk of a 50-year mortgage. While not yet mainstream, it's being pitched as a way to lower monthly payments. By stretching the loan over half a century, the idea is to make that monthly bill manageable for today's salaries. But the downside is staggering. You would pay hundreds of thousands more in interest and build equity at a snail's pace. Is extending loan terms a real solution? Or is it a desperate signal that housing has become fundamentally broken? We have to ask ourselves, is the current system sustainable? Or are we moving toward a future where renting is the only option? It is time for a real conversation about reform and what home ownership should look like in America. What do you think? If you want more real talk about housing and affordability, make sure to like this video and drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to The Ownership Reality so you never miss an update on the truth behind the market. See you in the next one.